Hello students, I welcome you all to the P9 class. I am Sir Salman, your chemistry teacher. For this class, we are going to start our unit number 1, Fundamentals of the Chemistry. Today is our first lecture. Starting with the name of Allah, our first topic is, what is chemistry? Chemistry is basically that branch of science in which we study about the matter. What about the matter? We study about the composition, structure, properties and reactions of the matter. So we can say that chemistry is basically the study of the matter. What is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called the matter. So it means that all the things around us are the matter. And when we study about the composition, structure, properties and reactions of any matter, then that all study will fall in the branch of science, and that branch is chemistry. Chemistry covers almost all the aspects of life. What is the meaning of this line? Chemistry is basically playing the role in every part of our life. Wherever we go, we feel that chemistry is playing its role over there. Now we will read out this definition from the notes so that people can get the better understanding of this. Define chemistry and give its importance in the daily life. The branch of science which deals with the composition, structure, properties and reactions of the matter is called chemistry. It touches almost every aspect of our life. Okay, now we have to study about the importance of the chemistry. Chemistry is playing the very vital role in our daily life. Chemistry is providing us with so many facilities. Chemistry is giving us, with the help of the chemistry, we are getting petrochemical products, we are getting plastic, we are getting soap, we are getting detergents, we are getting paints, pigments, paper, insecticides and pesticides and so many other things. All these products we are getting because of the efforts of the chemist. Chemists are keep on working in the chemical industries by gaining the knowledge and producing these products for the benefit of the humankind. So chemistry is playing very vital role in our daily life and giving us these products. To get these products, we have to set up the chemical industries. But because of setting the chemical industries, there are some issues. And the issues are toxic waste. Like chemical industries are releasing the harmful waste, contaminated water, water full of the impurities, and the polluted air. This is clear that whenever the industries will run out, the smoke will release out of the industries and that smoke will pollute our air. But on the other hand, chemistry provides us the knowledge that how we can improve our health, how we can improve our environment, and how we will become able to explore and conserve the natural resources, how we can discover the natural resources and how we can utilize those natural resources. So we can say that the chemistry is giving us the knowledge that how we can improve our health, how we can improve our environment, and how we can use the natural resources, how we can explore our natural resources. Now I am going to read out this point from the notes. Importance. The development of the science and technology has provided us a lot of facilities in the daily life. For example, petrochemical products, medicines and drugs, soap, detergents, paper, plastic, paint, pigments, insecticides and pesticides, etc. play a very vital role in our daily life. And all these substances are the fruits of the efforts of the chemist. The development of the chemical industries also generated toxic waste, contaminated water and polluted air around us. On the other hand, chemistry also provides the knowledge and techniques to improve our health and environment and to explore and conserve the natural resources. This is our today's topic. I need you all to learn this topic on daily basis that is going to be delivered to you in the online lecture so that you people can learn the lectures side by side. Today your homework is that you have to learn this topic by heart. Inshallah, in our next lecture we will study about the branches of the chemistry. Till then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye.